So here's the A-arm, the upper A-arm out of the 66 Chevelle. And I know that we're going to replace all the bushings and all this stuff. So I'm going to push these out of here. Well, I think they make a tool for these, but I just came up with my own idea. I'm going to take this C-clip, I'm going to take a washer that I've made into a C-clip. And I already got the other one done. So you slide this in here just right. You got to pound it in just a little bit because the rubber bushing's in the way. But as you can see on this one, you can slide this right in here, and then you can push it out with a press, with a shop press. You can just push it out, and then this will push out that bushing, and then it'll stop. Of course, it'll be just a little bit short. It'll be like 90% out of the way, but the last one, it fell out, or just wiggle it a little bit. Or you may have to take the C-clip out and then push it, just push it out. This rubber bushing and all that, it'll just make it slide right out. And then you turn it around and do the other side. Let's go do it. So let's pound that down in there, that C washer we made. There, simple as that. Now it's pounded down in there, and I'll move you over here. So let's. I already did one, so it'll go pretty easy here. There isn't a lot of pressure on these, so I know I'm not going to be 100% square on it, but it'll be okay. You can put the nut on the other side if you want. Let's move you over here a little bit. Maybe it'll be easier to see. One-handed. It's super simple, or it's super easy to push this out. There's barely any pressure being put on. Now you can tell when you bottomed out, it stops going. So I'll put you back on here. So now it's almost all the way out. Look at, yeah, I can even pull it out by hand. And here's the other one. So now, let's just repeat the process here. So, stick the C-clamp, or C-washer in there. Okay, got that in there. Move you back over here now. Get a little light. Now, let's see what's going on here. Something doesn't seem right. Should be coming out easier than that. Well, so, got to make sure on this side, got to make sure that the C part, this was kind of resting on the A-arm, so the C part's got to be facing up. I was pushing against that. That's why I was having such a hard time with it. And this stuff is from Harbor Freight. I can't remember if it came with the kit. I'm pretty sure it did, actually. when you buy the press. Pretty sure it comes with it. Let's see if that starts to move now. There it goes. There it goes. This one's a little bit tighter. Alright, now stop. Let's see if this one will walk out too. The other one did. Nope, this one's not. So we got to get the C washer out of there. We can tell that probably should have spun it the other way. Oh, well, look at that. I didn't mean to do it like that, but actually we're going to have to put this back in there. I didn't want to do that. We're just going to use this to push on it the rest of the way. That rubber's still stout enough to push all that out. There it goes. Just like that. Now, there we go.